Everything litty, I love when it's hot. Turned to the city, I broke off the notch. Got some more millies, I keep me a knot. I created history, it made me a lot. He tried to diss me and it ain't no false. We call him Chaucer cause they gonna chop. Took her out of filers cause her pussy pop. I run it like Nike, we got it on lock. Cardiac eye, I'm the boss man in a suit with no tie. I can't be sober, I gotta stay high. Put me some syrup in the can and it's dry. Riding in special like Bunny and Clyde. Don't worry, baby, I keep me some fire. Shenanigans and broken, she cannot decide. The ladies Mercedes, it go to surprise. Don't sleep on Miss Lady, her pussy a prize. Digging her back while I'm gripping her sides. Digging my back, this ain't regular size. We really fly, we like pelican guys. Bitch, you ain't slick, I can tell her disguise. Upgrade at my wrist, put baguettes in the sky. She sing I might sign her and change her whole life. I told her to goggle and work on her highs. Everything litty, I love when it's hot. Turned to the city, I broke off the notch. Got some more millies, I keep me a knot. I created history, it made me a lot. He tried to diss me and it ain't no false. We call him Chaucer cause they gonna chop. Took her out of filers cause her pussy pop. I run it like Nike, we got it on lock.
Get money, K, Anna, Ray, I don't wanna, but it is by myself. I just passed it.
Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You already know we back with another one, baby. I hope y'all enjoyed that on feed, man. You know, my boy Nate Triple OG, you know, the master behind the, the incredible visuals that I give you all, you know what I'm saying? You know, we didn't get to enlisted services for this one, but, I hope I still tried to give you all an experience. I hope you enjoyed it, man. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, you know what I'm saying? Tell me what you thought about the video in the comments. Without further ado, let's get into it, man. Yeah, man, I wanted to give y'all, that quick, Q the Flu Gang TV style, on feed of these guys right here. The Nike Air Force One Travis Scott, you know what I'm saying, Cactus Jacks. Officially, these are dubbed the Cactus Jacks, you know what I'm saying? Multicolored, ugly ass shroud in front, but, secret I actually kind of like, one of them being on there. You know what I'm saying? You probably by now watched quite a few reviews on these guys, but I had to come through with my own, man. General thoughts overall, I love, unlike the first Air Force One, hold on, give me a second. Unlike the first Air Force One, you know what I'm saying? They gave us a specialty box, man. You see Travis Scott details all over this thing. That's really the only way to go. After they've been going crazy with the packaging and just the aesthetic and the rollout of all his shoes since this guy right here, which is the OG Air Force 100. You can kind of see that right there. Travis Scott low, you know what I'm saying? So, we got it. We did get a couple of extra laces on this thing. I believe black and then this cream, colorway that you see that I've actually lace swapped and put on the shoe. A lot of people are saying they like this colorway better. The color lace swap, look better. I'm probably inclined to agree. It just gives it a really clean look. But what I'm probably gonna do, because Q the Flu, we can't be like everybody. I'm probably gonna actually go and get a gold pair of laces to accentuate, the part of the heel back here, man. I think that's gonna be really, really dope. Maybe I'll put that on this shoe right here. Keep the mismatched shoe lace thing, consistent with all the other pairs. But there was a lot of hate, aside from the general overall Travis Scott hype, a lot of hate on these guys right here, man. I know even myself, when I first saw it, I really didn't, take too kindly to the Cactus Jack, records. I don't really care about your record label, bruh. You know what I'm saying? It's cool. You know what I'm saying? Every time I hear Cactus Jack, I think of, young Mick Foley. You know what I'm saying? But, what I'm saying? He named this, you got the Cactus Jack records, situation. We got a bunch of different materials from the suede to the super premium leather toe, corduroy, you know, vibes on the inside. We got this heather, you know, kind of like, I don't know why I can't remember what this kind of material is called. Like the peacoat material, wool. You got this heather gray wool in the back, you know what I'm saying? You know, all type of canvas, you know, hits in the shoe. Got your plaid, you know, flannel kind of going around the toe, the tongue of this thing. It's like a lot of premium details and accentuates, you know, going throughout this shoe. Even though it has like all these crazy like panels and colors, the shoe is the exact same shoe on both the left and the right hands of the shoe. As you can see, the only thing that really separates the left from the right, one small detail on this like weird little strap we got around the back. If you can see on the golden button, this one should say Texas, that TX for Texas. And over here, you got that, you know, MO for Missouri City, that MC for Missouri City, which is where Travis Scott is from, you know, Missouri City, Texas, man. So, you know, these things are dope, man. I enjoy these. I've been loving the way that they've made Air Force One super, super, super comfortable. It like they put like some zoom up in this joint, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. But for some reason, the skeletons, these guys, even the Virgil joints, the MCAs, as you know, I have all of those pairs. They've been making the Air Force One this year super, super comfortable. So man, these are gonna be really, really easy to rock on a consistent basis, especially in comparison to this joint right here, which, I mean, it's an Air Force One, but these aren't, for some reason, the most comfortable shoe to be stepping around in. Whatever they put in the foot, in the sole and the footbed of these joints, good money, Jordan. Good money, Nike. You know what I'm saying? These things are by far more comfortable than these guys right here, man. So, you know, a quick sneaker battle, man. Which one we like more, man? We rocking with, you know, the new school, you know, Air Force One, or we still rocking with, you know, that OG, you know, hype, man, you know, with the grill and, you know, the different color swooshes, man. Which one's the GOAT, man? Which one take the cake, man? Y'all let me know in that comment box. But as always, it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You already know how we rocking around here. As we proceed to give you what you need. To the next video, baby. It's Flu Gang TV. We out.
This Chicago.